Turn off these lights. Oh, it's cold. Oh, road again. Oh, shit. This move to the side. Damn, it's freezing. Holy crap. About the time that I lost brakes while I was driving to work. That day my wife's car wasn't working. It was at the mechanic at the time, so I had to drop her off at work in the morning and then take the kids over to her mom's house and then go to work. Well, everything went fine, driving fine, but all of a sudden after I dropped off the kids, I was just me by myself, and then noticed that I heard a whoosh. I heard a noise. I heard a pop noise in a way, and I was like, huh, I don't know what that was. Maybe I just ran over something. I don't know. You know, not an animal, but like a part. I don't know. It's just like a can. I don't know. I was coming up to a stoplight, and what I noticed is that the car wasn't slowing down. I was like, oh no. So I had to start pumping the brakes a little bit to see if anything would catch. It wouldn't, but then it finally did. And I didn't want to cause any damage. I don't know what's going on. Kept my hazard lights on, drove a few blocks, and I got to work. Before going inside to work, I got outside, I looked at the car, went to each wheel, and I noticed that on the passenger side rear, there's no brake pads. I was like, oh great, that's why. But the good thing is it didn't harm the rotor. It didn't grind on there or warp it or anything, because I wasn't trying to like jam and hit the brakes hard. I was just trying to kind of ease into it because I don't know what's going on and what damage I could be doing. I gotta figure something out. I had a coworker go to Napa, pick me up some brake pads. Called my wife, and her friend actually picked her up from work because I couldn't do it. So I asked her if she can go home because she wasn't too far from there to get all my tools. And I had her drop it off to me at work. It was about 8 o'clock when I got out. It was freezing cold outside. Keep in mind, it wasn't below 0 yet. It was still cold. Lifted up the car, removed my tire, used the brake caliper, put in the brake pads, I compressed the master cylinders there, got it all good. So I was out there for like an hour trying to do everything outside in the cold, outside of my job, at night, in the parking lot, using my phone as a flashlight. So that's one good thing, because I used to work in a mechanic shop long ago, but I was a lube tech, not necessarily an actual mechanic. So I would work on like oil changes, tires, rotations. Every now and then I'd go with the other mechanics in their base because they need help, so I would pick up a few things here and there, how to do the brakes, how to bleed brakes, do things like that. So it's kind of a handy skill that I have where I can just do things myself if I wanted to. But I need a backup car so I don't daily this, because I just want to build this. This is my project car though. Right now I'm on my way to work, but before I go to work, I'm actually gonna pick up one of my coworkers over at Tire Plus. I don't know what it was. I don't remember. I just know I gotta meet him there. Oh, is that him? I believe so. I'm following him right now, so I just pulled up with him. Perfect timing. I'll catch you guys later. I'm just gonna wait for him here until he gets in, and then we'll go from there. See ya.